Theta is a cryptocurrency that has been moving from strength to strength over the last few months. It's managed to even now breach into the top 10 rankings for the first time in its history. But what the heck is Theta anyway, and why has it been exploding? And of course, who is behind it? Because there's some big names behind this crypto. Well, in this video, I will explain just that. My name's Lark, and every day I make videos about investing in cryptocurrency. So if that is what you're interested in learning about, then you should definitely subscribe to the channel. And I recommend to click on the notification bell so you know when I put out a new video. By the way, if you want to buy yourself some Theta or maybe other top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum or Cardano, then you need to get yourself an account over on Binance. It is the #1 cryptocurrency exchange. Use the link down in the description to start your account, and you'll get 10% off of your trading fees and up to $700 in trading bonuses, which is pretty damn cool. And as a final note here before I get into what is Theta, no one has paid me to talk about Theta. I do not currently own Theta tokens, and you should not take this video as a recommendation to run out and put all your life savings into Theta. This is actually just an educational video, free content for you to understand what the heck Theta is. So if you do enjoy that kind of content, I would greatly appreciate it if you just took a quick second to just gently tap on that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. My bosses over at YouTube, they love the thumbs up button for some reason. So that'd be super awesome if you could do that. Now, let's get into this. What is Theta? Well, Theta is a decentralized video delivery network powered by its users. Pretty cool idea. I like the idea of decentralizing video and putting people back in charge of that process. Now, Theta is a proof of stake blockchain, so it's efficient and fast, and it's currently preparing for a major upgrade called Theta V3, which is now planned for release on June 30th. After recently being delayed, it was very close to launching, and then they delayed it by a few months, which is unfortunate. Now, this upgrade will see significant improvements, including bringing in, obviously, you have to get NFTs in the mix here. They're bringing in NFTs. You got to get the NFTs in, man. What are you doing without NFTs in your blockchain? The Theta Network operates by using unused internet upload bandwidth and actually rewards people providing that with T-Fuel tokens automatically. So as you stream or even watch, you get paid out. Basically paying you for watching your favorite content. And by creating a peer-to-peer network that shares resources, Theta enables a more consistent rate of platform performance as well. Now, Theta was actually born kind of from Ethereum, and thus the Theta ledger offers a smart contract environment that's actually fully compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, meaning that Ethereum-based contracts can actually be transferred over to the Theta network with very little effort required, which is pretty damn cool. Obviously, everybody doing some kind of compatibility with Ethereum because that's all the liquidity is, but this is really good for them to be compatible for those apps to be able to come over. Now, digging a little more into the technical side of things, the Theta blockchain combines three main concepts. The first is a multi-level consensus mechanism that allows basically thousands of nodes, different computers, to participate in the process of consensus for the blockchain. Now, they're still able to achieve a very high transactional throughput of around 1,000 transactions per second. Now, on the Theta network, the core nodes are called validator nodes. Again, these are the computers running the network. Now, are you ready to have your mind blown? Because this is crazy. Because currently, Google, Sony, Samsung, and Binance, among quite a few other big but lesser known companies, are actually operating nodes running the Theta network. They're using enterprise validator nodes. That's a damn big deal. Not many blockchains can boast about something like that. By the way, validator nodes, their purpose is that they propose and produce new blocks in the blockchain. There are also nodes called community operated guardian nodes, which essentially seal the blocks and act as a bit of a line of defense against malicious actors or otherwise non-functional validator nodes. The second key feature here is actually an aggregated signature gossip scheme. That sounds good. WTF is that, Lark? Basically, let's just get really simple. Basically, it allows for significantly reduced messaging complexity between nodes, so making it easier for the network to communicate between different computers. The third is a resource-oriented micropayment pool. Now, that actually allows a user to create off-chain micropayment pools, purpose-built for video streaming. So it's pretty straightforward that. This allows viewers to be able to reward content creators directly. So that's pretty cool. Meaning that creators can have more freedom and, of course, less reliance on advertisers and third-party hosting websites. Now, if you want to participate in the Theta Network, it's actually pretty gosh darn easy to do. You just need to go over to the website, download the Theta Edge node that will then allow you to be able to do, relay video streaming over the Theta Network. As a reward for that, you'll be earning T-Fuel tokens. Now, by running the Edge node, you'll actually be providing support to the Theta.tv network and other upcoming video platforms that may be using the Theta Network. And again, you have to remember some of the partners, right? Sony, Samsung, Google. I think we're going to see some big announcements coming from Theta. And that's just speculation, but the fact these guys are using it, very interesting. And with the latest update, you can also now broadcast your own video streams and have them distributed over the Theta Edge network as well. So Theta's peer-to-peer nature basically allows the Theta network to be able to relay video streaming data across users instead of the traditional way that it's done, which is it all goes to centralized servers and then back out. So imagine a more distributed web. That's what we get with a decentralized peer-to-peer network like this. This can actually reduce content delivery fees by up to 80%, and that is a very clear value proposition for big video platforms. The application Theta Edgecast is the first 100% decentralized video streaming app built on Theta's native blockchain technology with smart contracts. Now, this application gives you the ability to capture video, to transcode it in real time, to cache it, and to relay it back out to users globally. So pretty cool stuff that they've been developing on the tech side. Let's talk about the token, or well, the tokens, I should say, because there are two of them, two tokens in the network. There is Theta, and then there is T-Fuel. T-Fuel. The Theta token is used to stake and secure and to govern the Theta network. Well, individual smart contract operations are paid for using the T-Fuel token, or the Theta Fuel token. The token is also used by advertisers to create and fund advertising campaigns, and viewers can actually earn tokens from advertisers by engaging in this different stuff. So it's actually a form of rewards that you can get. So you can use these tokens as gifts for your favorite content creators, right? You can give them away as gifts or tips or whatever. So that's a pretty cool ecosystem they create with monetizing it with the T-Fuel token. One thing is for certain though, Theta Network has definitely made a name for itself over the last few years of it being alive, building its out its technology, managing to crack into the top 10 rankings over the last week or so. Pretty impressive move. The top 10, that is a hollowed position for a cryptocurrency. Theta also continues to attract some really big investors. The latest Theta Enterprise Validator nodes actually being run by a group of big venture capital funds, including Sierra Ventures, Heuristic Capital, VR Fund, and the GFR Fund. Together, they're staking more than $100 million in Theta to run a node. Now, if Theta can keep building on its success, keep leveraging these really, really big partners that they have, then I think it will be a name that we will continue to hear a lot about in the future of the crypto economy. But does that mean you should run out and pack your Theta bags now? Go all in? Yeah. Just keep in mind, it has just seen a completely just parabolic run up over the last few weeks, up hundreds of percent in just the last few weeks. I would say if Theta is a coin that you are thinking of buying, that you're interested in buying, wait for it to cool off a little bit before getting a position. Remember, V3 was just delayed for 3 months. That's a long time in crypto land for people to pay attention and to keep the hype train going. My guess is that you'll be able to get some good entries on Theta before the V3 launch at the end of June. But do keep in mind that V3 launch is coming at the end of June, that we will likely see a new hype cycle heating up 3 or 4 weeks before the June launch. So there might be a window there, just, something to keep in mind anyway. But look, final thoughts here. Theta is a strong coin. with a pretty clear value proposition, which has been building relentlessly 4 years with some really, really big partners on board. So it's not surprising to see it reaching such a high market cap now. Your question for today, are you a Theta investor? Maybe a Theta user, right? Maybe you're watching Theta.tv. Maybe you're earning some T-Fuel tokens. Maybe you're running a node. Be keen to hear your thoughts. And if you are a Theta user or a Theta fan, down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.